Hello friends, I'm back with a Bengali recipe for you today. I'm going to make Muri Ghonto, which is fish head pulao. Bengali fish preparations are really awesome. They have varieties of it, and this pulao made with fish head is really very flavorful. You are going to love it. And this is made usually with mustard oil. We use mustard oil to prepare it, and then potatoes are also added to it. So I'm sure you are going to make and enjoy this fish pulao. Let's go and make Muri Ghonto. Here I have taken one fish head of Rohu fish cut into pieces, 1 cup of rice, 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 potatoes cut into cubes. We have mustard oil, we will be using about 1/4 cup. And here we have whole spices, cinnamon 1 piece, 4 cloves, 1 big black cardamom, 4 green cardamoms, 2 bay leaves and 2 green chillies. Then we have salt to taste and marinate. Turmeric powder as well for marination and cooking, half teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. Half teaspoon Garam masala powder. 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now first we are going to marinate the fish head. Add little salt and turmeric, saving rest for cooking. Marinate the pieces with that. Turn the side and add little more so that it's marinated well into all the pieces. Now the marination is done, set it aside. Soak the rice. Add sufficient water to cover it and leave it aside for soaking. Now place a pan on the gas and add 1/4 cup of mustard oil. If you don't have mustard oil, you can use any normal oil, but mustard oil tastes very good. Now fry all the fish head pieces in this oil. Dip them in. Before putting the fish, make sure the oil is very hot. Bring it to a smoking point, reduce the flame, and then put the fish pieces. Mustard oil, we always have to do that. Now turn the fish pieces so that they fry well on the other side as well. Fry them, flipping them couple of times so that they get fried evenly. Remove them in a plate and set them aside. In the same oil, we are going to fry the potatoes. Put some salt on them, mix well and tip them into the oil. The potatoes will get the nice fish flavors also into them. Now the potatoes are done. We are going to remove them in a plate and set aside. First add the whole spices into the same oil. Saute them until you get a nice aroma. Now add the ginger, grated ginger. Toss it a bit. Add the onions. Saute it until it is translucent. Cover it with a lid and simmer it a bit so that the onion gets cooked. Do this on a low flame. Now the onion seems to be done. Next we are going to add the green chillies. You can add the whole green chilies or cut them into small pieces. Now add the garam masala powder and the Kashmiri chilli powder. Little bit of turmeric. Stir everything together. Add little salt to taste. Add it very carefully as the fish is already marinated with salt. Now add the soaked rice. Stir it so that all the spices get mixed very well into the rice. Add 2 cups of water. For 1 cup of rice, we are going to add 2 cups of water now, maybe little more later, because usually this fish head pulao is softer consistency. Stir the rice. Cover it with the lid and allow it to cook. Now halfway through, open the lid, stir it a little. The rice, you can see it is half done now. You can check for the salt. Add if it is required. Salt or even chillies, if you want, you can add more at this stage. Now layer the potatoes and the fried fish pieces. Place them on top of the rice. Now we have added the fish and the potatoes. Add little bit of water. That depends on the consistency you like to have. Usually this pulao tastes good if it is little softer texture. Now place the lid on top and simmer it. After a few minutes, you can open the lid and check it. It is done. The pulao is ready. Stir it very carefully so that you don't break the fish pieces. Finally, spoon a little ghee on top. Ghee gives a very nice flavor to the pulao. It's optional. If you don't like, you may skip it. Finally, garnish with little spring onion or fresh coriander leaves. The delicious Muri Ghonto or fish head pulao is ready. Now we are going to dish it out. This pulao is really very delicious. You must give it a try. This way we can make use of the fish head and the tail part as well. Finally, garnish it with spring onions or fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot. Friends, you may check out these videos if you like to watch them. Thank you.